feel any pain around here? Anything left?
Yes, I'm around my
Alright, stand up straight. Bend sideways. Anything left? Pain?
muscle stretch also.
Okay, good. Bend go up. Anything left?
M to one kind, this muscle stretch.
Okay, good. Stand up straight. Feel the pain? Drop in. Release. Good.
Now relax.
Okay, you bend side, you get stretch.
Yeah, absolutely.
How's the tightness?
No, everything is.
So when you go back time, you got pain, eh?
Uh-huh.
Go all the way. Hey, now you go all the way. How's it?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You should want to control the camera.
Yeah.
How are you feeling now?
Thank you. I am Xavier Winyaya. Biyok watching la Kumul Wellness on the YouTube one and become straight learner. I'm really feeling the experience with myself. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm excited. I'm really feeling well now. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is the